Well, I'm Zachary Jordan, CEO of Collab, and I've been working on both small and large. I've been building websites in small and large teams for the better part of a decade. And one problem that's cropped up in nearly every team that I've ever worked on is that getting everyone on the same page to iterate websites effectively in a group setting can be a total nightmare to do efficiently. So between developers, designers, management, QA testers, and more, keeping everybody on the same page at all times is definitely a challenge. So Collab solves this problem with our platform to turn any website into an interactive canvas where your whole team can leave comments, create and assign tasks, and even visually edit your designs, even if you don't know how to code at all. So basically, Collab does for website collaboration what Google Docs did for document collaboration. So to show this off, I'm going to start by loading in the official Minnedemo website into the Collab editor. And it takes only seconds to add a project. Now, the first thing to notice here is that this isn't just a picture of my website, but rather it's a live, fully interactive build of my project. Now, this is great because it means that the experience that we get here is identical to the experience that our end users are going to get in the real world. You can add as many collaborators as you want to the project, but for today, I've just invited my teammate Eugene Kim to the project as an editor. Now, Eugene Kim is joining this project from Chicago, so he's several hundred miles away, but thanks to Collab's great presence features, you can see that he's in the page now. It feels like we're working on the project together in the same room. So you can see that Eugene is currently working on this element as it's highlighted, and Collab will constantly be showing you what your teammates are doing at all times so that everybody can always stay on the same page. So let's get into some of the features that make website collaboration so powerful, starting with the comment tool. Comments are a great way to share feedback with your team, and they're really easy to use. To get started, you simply click on the element you want to give feedback on, jot down your thoughts, and then hit save. Once you've done this, your comment has been saved and can be seen by your entire team. And Collab automatically saves important metadata, such as the comment author, the date that the comment was saved, and even the device type they are using, so that your entire team can stay on the same page at all times. So we believe that the comment tool is a great way to share feedback with your team, even if you don't know how to code at all. But sometimes we want to do more than just share feedback. Sometimes we want to mark some tasks that we need to get done. So for this, we would use the To-Do tool, and it functions very similarly to comments. You simply select on the element that you want to work on, jot down your tasks, and then hit save. To-dos consist of a task and an optional description, so you can be incredibly precise about what it is that you're trying to achieve. And after you've saved your list, the list is fully accessible by your entire team, and every team member can go in there and they can mark things as complete or archive the list. And once again, Collab is saving important context related to these lists, such as the people who are creating them and the date in which it was created. So what if we want to actually take some action on some of the things that we've done here, but we don't know how to code? Well, for this, we would use Collab's design editor tool, represented by this pencil right here. So we simply click on it, and this allows us to change both the content and styles of our website. So you can see here that Eugene is currently updating the content of this Minnedemo website, and in order to do that, all he had to do is click on the element, write the new text, and he's good to go. But we can change not just the content of the website, but also the styles. So let's try doing that right now. When I click on this element, I can then change any of the properties listed on the right-hand side of the screen here. So let's try changing the font size and see what happens. And as you can see, it's updated in real time, so we can see exactly how it's going to look in a live build. And we could change as many things as we want, but one of my favorite things about Collab is that it automatically generates the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code that you need to bring your changes to life. So you can see that right here. We can copy it to our clipboard, and if I wanted to bring this into a live build, it would be super simple to do that as a result of that feature. But sometimes we don't want to just modify things, but we also need to maintain a consistent design language. If you've ever worked on a website yourself before, you know that maintaining a consistent design language across pages is definitely a must. So to show you how Collab will help you do this, let's move over to the Collab homepage. All right, now that I've got that open, we're just going to be looking at the design editor tool, or the design library tool, excuse me, which is displayed right here. This allows you to import all of your brand's colors, styles, and animations, and instantly apply them anywhere else on the project. So let's show that off. You can see here that it's very easy to add my brand's colors. I simply select the colors that I want, and then they appear right here for me to use. And it's really easy to apply these anywhere on the website. All I need to do is select the color that I want, and then click on an element to instantly apply it. And once again, all of the code needed to do this is automatically generated in real time for us. So this point and select approach is a very easy way to rapidly test new designs and keep your design language consistent across pages. But there's more to it than just colors. You can also add animations. You simply browse from this library of extensive animations that we have in CollabSpot, select the animation that you'd like to apply, and then click on it. So you can see I applied a bounce animation here. I could apply any of these animations, but not only can I do that, I can also get really granular and change some of the properties of the animation. So let's say I want to slow it down and make it repeat infinitely, and now it's going to do exactly that. And this is a really easy way to add both colors and animations to your project wherever you are. And now, once we've created the perfect design, we need to test it out on common device types. So CollabSpot makes it easy to trial your design on phones, tablets, and desktop devices. You simply click the button here, and because this is a live build of our site, this site automatically scales to show us the correct version for the type that we have requested. In our test, this helped us find bugs faster, and it helped us test device-specific issues and find that out with much more efficiency than our standard workflow. Once you've finished creating your design and you're all done, we need to see what the rest of our team has been up to at a glance. So that's what the dashboard is for. Let's simply go over there, go to the project details panel, and then select a project to get a quick overview of it at a glance. So once I've done this, I can instantly see all of my comments, design edits, and to-dos. And not only can I view them, I can also interact with these. So I can read the comments, I can copy code to my clipboard, or I can mark tasks as complete. We think that these tools, when put together, will help teams build better websites faster. If you or your organization could benefit from this, we encourage you to head on over to collabspot.io and sign up. We have a free trial, and we're constantly making the tool better. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the demos for the evening.